Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen and also welcome to the channel. My name is Josh and I make videos on ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances. Today is going to be a different type of video than what I normally would do. Today I'm going to unbox a gift that I received from Tanya from My Fork in Life. She sent me a box and it's called the ButcherBox. Because meat from the ButcherBox is humanely raised, no antibiotics or no hormones that's added to your food. In other words, it's healthy. Here I have a ButcherBox. This video is not sponsored and I will take a gift, all right? So first we're gonna go on an unbox. I haven't opened the box yet, so if it seemed like I'm a little off, it's because I'm seeing this for the first time with you guys. So let me go over and get a knife and we're gonna go on and cut this bad boy open and see the contents that's inside. All right, so I'm gonna go on and take my knife. I went on and took off the address there. I didn't want anybody kind of like trying to look for me. But so we're gonna go on and cut this thing right on open. Now that we already opened up the box, let's see what's inside. Oh, isn't this kind of cool? It's like a box within a box. Like I said, it actually has some weight to it. Whatever time you ordered for us today, I know it has to be awesome. I mean, whenever you're talking about meat and it's heavy, oh my goodness, that's gonna be so good. Before we get into this, I did do some research on ButcherBox and the prices are somewhat competitive to what you would find in your local community butcher as well. So what we already see first, we have some breakfast sausage, bacon, and free-range turkey. And this is right in time for the holidays. And I do know over at My Fork in Life, Tanya has some great recipes as well that you can go on and take advantage to cook this meat. So let's go on and dig in and see what we have here. So the shipping with ButcherBox is 2 days because they gotta keep it cold and this stuff is still frozen. All right, so then they have this cardboard on it. Oh my goodness, look at that turkey. And we have ButcherBox pork sausage here. And we have this turkey and also we have some hickory smoked uncured bacon as well. So that looks amazing. So first, let's take a look at this bacon. Pork is used, but also on the ButcherBox, if you're not a pork fan, you can get like turkey bacon as well. It's vegetarian fed, raised without antibiotics, and also raised humane. I mean, I guess up until, okay, but let me keep on going. Gluten-free, lactose-free, and MSG-free as well. So this seemed like it would be some good bacon because the thing is, you don't know whenever it's not all of these things listed, you don't really know what you're putting into your body. And this is some thick cut bacon as well. I'm gonna just hold it up. Look how thick that is if you can see that. So I cannot wait until the morning because I will be having some bacon in the morning. So it was no preservatives added in this bacon as well. So this is some fresh bacon. What I'm going to actually do is going to throw this right in the fridge so I can have that in the morning. Next, we're going to go on and take out our pork sausage. And with the pork sausage, you can tell that this stuff is frozen right here. That's good for shipping purposes. So when you receive your food, you know it's going to be fresh, that it's not going to be spoiled or anything like that. However, this pork sausage too is pasture raised, antibiotic free, and also pork sausage. But again, on the butcherbox.com, you can also find some turkey sausage as well for those people that stay away from pork. Just look at that. I mean, this looks real. And all of this, y'all, is probably the same price or a little bit less than what you would get at the grocery store. By my house, I have things like Whole Foods, Publix, and Kroger. The price that I saw on the ButcherBox is very competitive. So let me tell you this story. A few weeks ago, I went to the butcher and I was buying some bacon. However, Lizzie loved crab legs. So when we were there, she was like, but Daddy, I gotta have those crab legs so that $12 order that I was originally going to make cost me about $35 because then I would say, you know what, going to throw on a pound of crab legs as well. So by using online services such as the ButcherBox and other online services as well, that you can stick to your budget and there's not other things out there that's tempting you or your kids saying, but daddy, and Lizzie, she's very convincing because I was there. At first I said, no, but she said, just think about the crab legs, think about the steam, and mommy is going to put the Old Bay season on there. Next thing I know, I was looking at the crab legs like, they do, now I want some crab legs, right? So by using a service like the ButcherBox, you can stick to your budget. And this turkey looks so amazing, and it's just in time for Thanksgiving as well. So just look at that turkey. So let's go on and lift it out of the box. Oh, yep, this turkey is about 10 to 12 pounds here. And the box is like double thick as well. And it has like extra cushion to keep your food cold. So just listen to this turkey. Now this turkey right here will be ready in time for Thanksgiving, trust me. And I cannot wait to put this all natural turkey that was raised on the farm with no preservatives and no additives into the smoker. And this turkey is going to taste so great. For more information on how to prepare your turkey, go on over to My Fork in Life. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and Tanya will walk you through every step in order how to prepare this turkey. So tell me in the comment section below, have you ever used ButcherBox or another company that will ship out the meat to you? And how was your experience with using those companies? I would love to read those in the comment section below. And a special thank you to Tanya from My Fork in Life for sending this meat to my family. We really do appreciate it. And if you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And check out more videos right over there on your screen, and I will see you in the next video.